Good morning, it's Chad C. from C Real Estate here in Richmond, Virginia. Today I want to talk with you about loan officers, specifically mortgage loan officers, and how to pick a good one. It's such an important part of the home buying process, and as you go to consider who you might get to help you with the financing of your house, the first thing that comes to my mind is competence. Someone who knows their field inside and out. It reminds me of a book by Cal Newport called So Good They Can't Ignore You. You want a loan officer who's so good that they get a lot of attention. They've helped people down the path toward home ownership many times to a successful ending. You want someone who knows the different types of loan programs and specifically the ones that'll work for you. If you are looking to put very little money down, they know the loan programs that are best for you. They know the credit requirements with different types of loan programs. They can tell you how you might benefit if you do have more money to put down by going with this other type of loan program. You want them to have a great wealth of knowledge, and at the very least, if they're new to the business, you want them to have a team of people behind them with that knowledge. And those loan officers can draw on these other team members to serve you well. Outside of competence in their field, I would say that what you're looking for in a loan officer is what you would look for in any type of business professional. You want someone who takes initiative. You don't have to call them 3 times to get one returned phone call. In fact, they beat you to the punch. They call you before you call them after you've made initial contact. They respond quickly to your emails. They are kind people, so they're happy to hear from you. They're enthusiastic and positive, and they leave you feeling good after you've talked with them. They've given you a path. They're serving as a guide, and they're helping you to a successful ending. So much of who you choose as a loan officer, competence is so important, it's got to be there, but beyond that, their personality, somebody you just communicate with well, someone who has a good reputation for doing the right thing. Ideally, this person was referred to you, and your realtor undoubtedly can refer you to great loan officers in your area, people they've worked with, people who have proven themselves. And that's the benefit of a realtor, is they have done a lot of vetting for you. If they tell you call this loan officer or that loan officer, odds are they know that the person is competent, easy to work with, responsive. They're going to get the job done. If it's not a realtor referring you to your loan officer, talk to people you know who have bought houses recently, ask who they used and whether or not they had a good experience, and they'll let you know how things went. So referrals are always huge, and we are always quick to refer people to local loan officers here at our company, as most realtors are. So find one who's very competent or has competent people behind them, but beyond that, you just want them to be a good person, obviously, someone who's honest. They'll tell you if you don't qualify, what you have to do to qualify, and you can just feel real comfortable in working with them. A good person. So I'm Chad with C Real Estate. I hope you have a great week.